Hello, I'm Lumen May, County Commissioner for District 3. I'm here with May's Message today with Dr. Greer Hall to share some valuable information that's come down from the Center for Disease Control. As you can see, we're all being protected. We have the cloth, we have our masks. I have one that's special that someone brought over. One of our staff people made it, and so Dr. Greer will be talking about those things, and all of us can be safe. Please join me here for the next few minutes with Dr. Greer Hall.
Thank you, Commissioner May. Dr. Michelle Greer Hall with Community Health Northwest Florida to give you some more very important information on coronavirus, also known as COVID-19. As the number of cases and the number of deaths as a result of COVID-19 increases not only nationally but also here locally, it is imperative that everyone takes the necessary steps to prevent the spread of this virus and to protect yourselves. Stay home and shelter in place. And if you absolutely must go out, please follow these 3 things. First of all, assume everyone has COVID-19 until proven otherwise. Studies have shown that patients who have COVID-19 actually will have it 2 to 5 days prior to showing any symptoms. And during this time before symptoms present, they're able to actually spread the virus without even knowing it. So assume everyone has the virus. Number 2, if you must go out, continue to practice social distancing and physical distancing. Make sure there's 6 feet between you and the next person. That includes if you have to go to your doctor's office, if you have to go to the store, if you have to go to work because you're an essential worker. Make sure you're practicing social distancing. And I encourage all employers to make sure your employees are able to adhere to this guideline. Number 3, we are also, based on CDC guidelines that just came out on this past Friday, recommending that everyone, everywhere, puts on a cloth mask such as this one if you're out in a public space and you cannot practice social distancing. This is imperative in order to help prevent the spread of this virus because, as we just mentioned, you can actually have the virus before the symptoms actually appear. And by wearing a cloth mask, you can prevent the spread of this virus to others. And also, it helps prevent you from touching your face. We already know by touching things and then touching your face, your mouth, eyes, and nose, you can actually get the virus from other things. So it's imperative to keep your hands clean and don't touch your face. It is so important to make sure you are keeping these clean. You have guidelines available on the CDC website to show you how to do that and how to make these at home. It's very, very simple. And it's important to also keep in mind with cloth masks, we do not want our citizens going out there trying to buy up the surgical mask and also N95 masks. Cloth masks are all you need to help prevent the spread of this virus. And we want to keep those N95 masks and surgical masks for those who really need it, like the healthcare workers and our first responders, because that's what's needed to protect them from this virus. So continue to make sure you're practicing social distancing, assume everyone has this virus, and wear your cloth mask and take these guidelines serious. This virus is nothing to play with, so please stay home, stay well, protect yourselves. Thank you, Commissioner May.
Thank you for listening today. We want to thank Dr. Greer Hall for giving us this valuable information that's for all of our safety. Again, we want to remind you that the testing site here at Brownsville Community Center will be closed for Good Friday. Although you cannot have gatherings, we do encourage people to enjoy their Easter holiday, pick up the phones, social connect, call, text, email, let your family know that you really care about them. And also we're excited to announce that in the Cantonment area, we're going to go and start testing on Mondays as well. And so we'll have 2 locations here at the Brownsville Community Center and in Cantonment. We encourage everyone, please, if you feel a symptom, please get tested. Thank you, and God bless each of you.